Certainly some tense moments at the courthouse today as reporters were, I guess, asked to leave when these proceedings were ongoing.
Yeah, some of them even winding up in handcuffs. So Ella Wales is joining us now from criminal court with the latest on what happened there, where this really all culminated today. Ella.
Yes, I was standing outside the courtroom when prosecutor Lori White first walked out. Sheriff's deputies actually asked every member of the media to leave the building. We questioned why we would need to do that, and we weren't given an answer at the time, but they actually did threaten to charge us with contempt of court if we did not leave. We stood in there for a little bit, and one other reporter was actually temporarily handcuffed. When we did leave, we did see him come back out several minutes later. But that was of concern to the attorneys representing the Attorney General. We spoke to them afterwards, and they say that the media access is just one concern they have with these proceedings. Another is grand jury members potentially talking to people outside of the grand jury, whether in the public or public officials. They also say that as far as the letters sent to city leaders here from the Attorney General, she was just enforcing the law. That's what they say. They say it was not a threat. She was simply informing them what could happen if they do violate the law. And those lawyers also telling us that all of these concerns are they all go back to how rare something like this is as far as the grand jury so-called coming up with this themselves and not being told to look into this. So we talked to them afterwards, and here's a little bite of their reaction.
It's unfortunate that something like this could ultimately lead to affecting further investigations. Maybe it was necessary to happen, though, because I think the public should definitely know what's going on in criminal court. I think it's important for us to see this firsthand, and I think there will be a very aggressive effort to get to the bottom of this.
You ain't gonna be wanted, huh? Hell no.
And also afterwards, Lori White, the prosecutor, did tell us that the reason we were asked to leave the building was to protect the secrecy of the grand jury, but that's the only reasoning we've heard so far. Live from Orleans Criminal Court, Ella Wales, WDSU News.